Welcome to our amazing planet. Planet Earth is full of amazing animals. From the smallest insects to the largest whales, there are so many different creatures to discover. In this essay, we will learn about 100 incredible animals from all over the world. Get ready for an exciting adventure.
Welcome to the African Savanna, a hot and dry grassland, home to many fascinating animals. Lions, the kings of the savanna, are strong and powerful hunters. Giraffes, the tallest mammals on Earth, use their long necks to reach leaves high in the trees. Zebras have distinctive black and white stripes that help them confuse predators. Elephants, the largest land animals, have long trunks and big ears. Cheetahs, the fastest land animals, can run up to 70 miles per hour. Leopards are skilled climbers and often drag their prey up into trees. Hyenas, known as scavengers, have powerful jaws capable of crushing bones. Ostriches, the largest birds in the world, cannot fly, but they can run very fast. African wild dogs, endangered animals, live and hunt in packs. Black mambas, highly venomous snakes, are among the deadliest in Africa. Termites, small insects living in large colonies, build tall mounds out of mud. Meerkats, small mammals, live in groups and take turns standing guard to watch for predators. Lastly, warthogs, wild pigs with large tusks, use them for digging and defense.
The Amazon rainforest, a hot and humid jungle, is home to an incredible diversity of animals. Jaguars, the largest cats in the Americas, are excellent swimmers and climbers. Anacondas, giant snakes, can grow up to 30 feet long and constrict their prey. Macaws, colorful parrots, are known for their intelligence. Sloths, very slow-moving animals, spend most of their time hanging upside down in trees. Poison dart frogs, brightly colored with toxic skin, provide poison used by indigenous people for their hunting darts. Capybaras, the largest rodents in the world, are semi-aquatic and live near water. Giant anteaters use their long, sticky tongues to eat ants and termites. Howler monkeys are known for their loud calls, which can be heard for miles. Toucans, with their large, colorful beaks, reach fruit on branches. Piranhas, freshwater fish with sharp teeth, are often portrayed as dangerous, but are actually quite timid.
The Arctic, a cold and icy region, is where animals have special adaptations to survive the freezing temperatures. Polar bears, the largest land predators in the world, have thick fur coats that keep them warm. Arctic foxes change from white fur in the winter to brown in the summer, helping them camouflage. Walruses use their large tusks for defense and for hauling themselves out of the water. Seals, marine mammals with blubber, come onto land to give birth. Narwhals, mysterious whales with a long, spiral tusk, continue to puzzle scientists. Arctic hares, large rabbits with white fur in the winter, blend well in the snow. Snowy owls, white and active during the day, hunt for lemmings and other small animals. Arctic terns, small birds, migrate incredible distances from the Arctic to the Antarctic and back every year. Reindeer, also known as caribou, have large hooves that help them walk on snow. Musk oxen, large, shaggy animals, live in herds and have a thick coat of fur that protects them from the cold.
Section 4. Animals of the Ocean Depths. The ocean depths are a mysterious and fascinating world. Many strange and wonderful creatures live in this dark and pressurized environment. Giant squid are enormous invertebrates that can grow up to 60 feet long. They have the largest eyes of any animal. Anglerfish have bioluminescent lures that they use to attract prey in the darkness. Dumbo octopuses are named after the Disney character because of their ear-like fins. They live on the ocean floor. Coelacanths are ancient fish that were once thought to be extinct. They have been found living in deep water off the coast of Africa. Vampire squid are not actually squid, but they are related to octopuses. They have webbing between their arms that resembles a cape. Goblin sharks have long, protruding jaws that they can extend to catch prey. Blobfish are deep-sea fish that are known for their gelatinous bodies. They live at depths where the pressure is very high. Giant tube worms live near hydrothermal vents, which are cracks in the ocean floor that release hot water. Sea cucumbers are echinoderms that look like cucumbers. They have leathery skin and tube feet. Hatchetfish are deep-sea fish with thin, flattened bodies. They have bioluminescent organs that help them to camouflage in the twilight zone.
Section 5. Animals of the Australian Outback. The Australian Outback, a vast and arid region, is home to many unique and interesting animals. Kangaroos, well-known marsupials with powerful legs and large feet, roam these lands. Koala bears, though not actually bears, are also marsupials and live in eucalyptus trees as herbivores. Wombats, burrowing marsupials, are unique for their backwards-facing pouches. Dingoes, wild dogs found throughout Australia, play an important role in the ecosystem. Echidnas, one of only 2 types of mammals that lay eggs, with the other being the platypus, are fascinating creatures. Tasmanian devils, only found on the island of Tasmania, are carnivorous marsupials known for their loud screeches. Sugar gliders, small nocturnal marsupials, can glide through the air using flaps of skin. Frilled-necked lizards can extend a large frill around their necks to scare off predators. Thorny devils, lizards covered in spines, are camouflaged to blend in with the desert sand. Lastly, the saltwater crocodiles, the largest reptiles in the world, are found in coastal areas of northern Australia.
Section 6. Animals of the Himalayas. The Himalayas, the highest mountain range in the world, are home to animals that have adapted to the thin air and cold temperatures. Snow leopards, elusive cats with thick fur coats, are native to the high mountains of Central Asia. Red pandas, small arboreal mammals related to raccoons, inhabit the eastern Himalayas. Himalayan black bears, omnivorous and adept at climbing and swimming, are widespread throughout the Himalayas. Tibetan foxes, small canids with thick fur, brave the cold winters of the Tibetan plateau. Wild yaks, large long-haired oxen, are well adapted to the high altitude. Blue sheep or burrell, with a bluish tinge to their fur, roam the high Himalayas. Himalayan tahr, wild goats with thick coats of fur, endure the cold. Golden eagles, large birds of prey, are among the most widely distributed eagle species. Himalayan marmots, large rodents, hibernate during the winter, while pikas, small mammals related to rabbits and hares, thrive in alpine meadows and rocky slopes.
Section 7. Animals of our homes. Even in our homes, we share our space with a variety of fascinating creatures. House mice, small nocturnal rodents, are found worldwide and often considered pests. Common house spiders, harmless arachnids, build webs to catch their prey. German cockroaches, attracted to food and moisture, often reside in kitchens and bathrooms. Fruit flies drawn to overripe fruit have a very short lifespan. House centipedes, arthropods with long segmented bodies and many legs, prey on other insects. Carpet beetles, small oval-shaped insects, feed on fabrics and can damage carpets, clothing, and furniture. Silverfish, wingless insects found in damp places, feed on paper, glue, and other starchy materials. Dust mites, microscopic creatures living in dust, feed on dead skin cells. Pharaoh ants, small reddish-brown ants, are attracted to sweet foods. Clothes moths, known for their larvae which feed on animal fibers like wool and silk, are a common household pest.
Section 8. Animals we don't see every day. Some animals are not as commonly seen, but they are just as fascinating. Aardvarks, nocturnal mammals from Africa, use their long snouts and sticky tongues to eat ants and termites. Pangolins, the only mammals covered in scales, are remarkable creatures. Okapis, related to giraffes with stripes on their hindquarters and long necks, are unique mammals. Narwhals, whales with long spiral tusks, inhabit Arctic waters. Aye-ayes, primates found only in Madagascar, have large eyes and long middle fingers to tap on trees to find insects. Blobfish, known for their gelatinous bodies, reside in deep waters off the coast of Australia. Tardigrades, also known as water bears or moss piglets, are microscopic and incredibly resilient, able to survive extreme conditions. Leafy sea dragons, marine fish camouflaged to look like seaweed, are found in Australian waters. Shoebills, large birds with shoe-shaped bills, are native to Africa. Pangolins, sadly, are the most trafficked mammals in the world, hunted for their meat and scales used in traditional medicine.
In this chapter, we explore the diverse wildlife found across the British Isles. From the majestic red deer, roaming the Scottish Highlands, to the elusive hedgehog, scurrying through suburban gardens, Britain is home to a remarkable array of animals. Picture the red deer, with its impressive antlers, as it gracefully navigates the rugged terrain. These magnificent creatures are a symbol of the wild beauty of Britain's landscapes. Next, imagine the hedgehog, a small nocturnal mammal with a coat of spines, quietly foraging for insects in the undergrowth. Despite their shy nature, hedgehogs play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of garden ecosystems. Let's not forget the playful otters, expertly swimming in Britain's rivers and coastal areas. These agile mammals are a joy to watch as they hunt for fish and play in the water. Britain's bird life is equally captivating. The puffin, with its colorful beak and comical appearance, is a beloved sight along the coastal cliffs. Meanwhile, the majestic golden eagle soars high above the mountains, a true emblem of the wild. The British Isles are also home to the charming red squirrel with its tufted ears and bushy tail. These agile climbers are often seen darting through the trees, collecting nuts and seeds. And deep within the ancient woodlands, the elusive badger makes its home. These nocturnal creatures are known for their distinctive black and white striped faces and their complex burrow systems. From the countryside to the coast, the wildlife of Britain is as varied as its landscapes. Join us as we celebrate the animals that make the British Isles their home. Join us as we take a closer look at the animals that live on farms. From cows and sheep to chickens and pigs, learn about the animals that provide us with food and other resources. Picture the dairy cow grazing peacefully in lush green pastures. These gentle giants are not only a source of milk, but also play a vital role in sustainable agriculture. Imagine the sheep, with their thick woolly coats, roaming the hillsides. Their wool is a valuable resource, providing us with warm, cozy clothing. Next, let's visit the chicken coop. Hear the clucking of hens and the crowing of roosters as they peck at the ground in search of food. Chickens are a primary source of eggs and meat, making them an essential part of farm life. Now imagine the pigs, often considered the most intelligent of farm animals, wallowing in the mud. These curious creatures are highly social and contribute to the farm ecosystem in numerous ways. Let's not forget the hard-working horses, often used for plowing fields or providing transportation. Their strength and endurance make them invaluable assets on many farms. And finally, the goats, known for their playful nature and ability to produce milk, cheese, and even fiber. From the barnyard to the pasture, farm animals are an integral part of rural life, providing us with food, clothing, and companionship. Join us in celebrating these remarkable creatures and the important roles they play on farms around the world. In this chapter, we celebrate the animals that share our homes and hearts. From playful dogs and curious cats to colorful birds and small mammals, discover the pets that bring joy to our lives. Picture the loyal dog, wagging its tail and eagerly awaiting a game of fetch. Dogs are not only great companions, but also offer protection and unconditional love. Now imagine the cat, gracefully lounging on a windowsill, its eyes tracking every movement with keen interest. Cats are known for their independence and affectionate purrs that can soothe any troubled mind. Let's take a look at the vibrant world of pet birds. From the cheerful chirps of canaries to the intelligent mimicry of parrots, birds bring a splash of color and melody into our homes. Watch as they flutter their wings, exploring their surroundings with curiosity and grace. Next, we delve into the realm of small mammals, like hamsters, guinea pigs, and rabbits. These tiny creatures, with their twitching noses and soft fur, provide endless entertainment and teach us the value of gentle care. Don't forget the exotic pets, such as reptiles and fish. Picture a serene aquarium filled with colorful fish swimming gracefully, or a gecko basking under a heat lamp, its unique patterns and behaviors captivating our attention. Each pet, no matter how big or small, plays a special role in our lives, offering companionship, joy, and even therapeutic benefits. Join us in celebrating the pets that enrich our daily lives, turning our houses into homes and filling our hearts with love and laughter.